Hello guys, today we're making bubble tea. We're going to make two types of bubble tea with avocado and mango. These are the ingredients that we need. Saggubiyyam, milk, mango, avocado, raw sugar. Now we're going to on the stove. We need to make it to low flame. I added a little bit of water in the pan to add in the raw sugar. The water will slowly climb up the sugar and it will turn into syrup. Uh-oh. So yummy. It's so golden. So brown. Let's make the sugar into syrup. It's getting bubblier and bubblier, like real caramel does. Now let's add in the Saggubiyyam in it. It's so bald. It's mixed up. Wow, so ooh, this is getting hot. So be careful. Now turn it into low flame if your hands are getting hot. Now we need to cook this until the Saggubiyyam looks transparent. It looks almost transparent. Now we blended the mango pieces into mango pulp. We blended the avocado, but we added a little bit of milk, and the balls are finished. Now we have to add one by one into each. Add in the stock, then we have to mix it with it. Let's try it out. It's so yummy and I like the Sabudana. I like it. If you don't have mangoes, just get mango pulp from any shop you can find.